Hello, everybody. So, as you may see right here, there is flash flood warnings in South Dakota, which means they have a lot of heavy rainfall. So, let's start right here. They have an issue about like a few, like 20 to 30 minutes ago. So yeah, I'll start right here, and I'll go all the way to the left side, and there's two more flash flood warnings in Nebraska. I'll be doing that too, which they have some heavy rainfall. So, alright, so yep, here's Sioux Falls right there, which they are under a flash flood warning. So I'll be doing that in just a little bit. So you see, here's that flash flood warning right there. So that ends until 7:15 a.m., which they have about 1 to 4 inches of rain have fallen, which they're gonna have 1 to 4 inches more possible warned areas. So yeah, be careful. If you see flash floods, don't drown. Turn around. So make sure your vehicles don't drown, or else it might damage your cars, vehicles. I think including trucks can too, but okay. Here is Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Is under a flash flood warning. That's the city that I live in. So that ends until 6:15 a.m. So, which Sioux Falls has about 2 to 4 inches of rain has been fallen, which is going to add 1 to 2 inches more are possible. So, yep. So that's that on that one. About that, but all right. So here's this flash flood warning right here. That ends until 8 o'clock a.m., which they have about 2 to 5 inches of rain have been fallen, which they're gonna add about 2 to 4 inches more are possible. So Mitchell, South Dakota are under a flash flood warning. That ends until 7:15, which it is a.m. now because it's past midnight. So, which between 2 to 5.5 inches of rain have fallen, which they're gonna add 1 to 2 inches more. So, and there's that flash flood warning right here. That ends until 8:30 a.m. So, well, you see, here's what time it is now because it's been past midnight. So you see, it's now a.m. now. So it won't be confusing. So yeah, that ends until 8:30 a.m., which they have about 4 rain have fallen, which they're gonna have about up to 1 inch more. So yeah, they have a lot of rain. even in Chamberlain does have a flash flood warning like earlier, but just barely in south. But I know Chamberlain was not under a flash flood warning, but they're under a flood warning. There's Chamberlain, South Dakota, right there, so you cannot really see that well. So that ends until 11:15 a.m. And that means that they have about 4 to 7 inches of rain has been fallen, up to 1 inch of rain, and they're gonna add about up to an inch more. So yeah. So let's do that one next. There's another flash flood warning right here. That ends until 2:30 a.m. So it'll be ended about 1.5 hour. So I don't know if that says anything or no. I guess no. I know you'll hear the thing. So no. So that one did not say anything how much, but I'll be keeping an eye on that to make sure about it. So that ends until 2:30 a.m. I don't know why it even, but maybe they don't have pockets of heavy rain, but they have something. So here's that flash flood warning right here. So in the west of Chamberlain, South Dakota, that ends until 2:30 a.m. And unfortunately, it did not say anything either. Yeah, it says don't drink because it ain't good for that. So there's that flash flood warning right here. Actually, it's not in one. It's there's like two of them, so it's not in one. So that ends until 2:45. So it'll be ended about less than 2 hours or something. And I think it didn't even say anything either. So maybe they have about like 2 to 3 inches of rain has been fallen. I think maybe say anything that one. Maybe they have about like, I don't know, like 2 to 4 inches or something. So there's a winter. South Dakota is under a flash flood warning that ends until 4 o'clock a.m. So that ends up about 3 hours. All right. Oh, there it is. I didn't see that. So they have about 2 to 3 inches of rain has been fallen, and about 0.5 to 1 inch more are possible. So, but actually, do think that's the end of the rain. But unfortunately, there is more for tomorrow, even through Saturday morning. So yeah, that's gonna be a long day tomorrow. So alright, now let's do the warning here. Even a warning alright there. So let's do this one first. The flash flood warning that ends until 4 o'clock a.m. I know this is here in Nebraska, but I was gonna be shown to that because I know it has been shown in so which that they have about 3 to 7 inches of rain has been fallen. Even they do have severe weather too as well, so that they have that. So only 0.5 inches more are possible, but I believe they are done with rain, but maybe they're going to get more rain. So we'll see what happens. So that ends until 4 o'clock a.m. There's another flash flood warning right here. That's the last one that'll be showing. That ends until 4 o'clock a.m. as well too. says like 3 to 5 inches of rain has been fallen, and unexpected .5 to 7,500 more inches in 1 hour. Well, they just added more. Well, .5 to 7,500 more inches of rain. So, and there is. Oh no, that's a flood advisory. I thought it was a warning. Well, it's hard to tell. So there's a flood advisory that ends until 4 o'clock a.m. as well too, which the 4 inches of rain have been fallen. So there's gonna be 1 inch more of rain. So actually, I think they do got more. So all right, so that ends until 4 o'clock a.m. as well. So 11 flash floods a day. One, well, even I think yep. So here flood watch right here, and all the way to in south of Minnesota. Oh, so does it end the same one? Oh no, that ends until Saturday at 1 p.m. Same thing in Nebraska. Yeah, okay. So that ends until Saturday morning at 7 a.m. So yeah, there's gonna be some more rain. It's gonna be on the way. So I'll be recording that for tomorrow too, to keep you guys for updates, to make sure there's any more flash flood warnings. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to my channel, also click the notification bell, and also be safe on flash floods. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm gonna say bye bye and stay safe.